Hi, I want to show you how to add shortcuts to iPhone's lock screen. So for that, press and hold your current lock screen to edit it and scan your Face ID or enter password to unlock. Now tap this button Customize and choose lock screen. After that, under the time you will see widgets. If you want to, you can remove them by tapping on minus, then click add widgets and scroll down until you can see shortcuts in the list. Now select this one shortcut. If you need to add more than one, then continue tapping, and with this way you can add 4 shortcuts to the lock screen. Then go back to the widget suggestions and tap on your shortcut to select one. For example, I have one shortcut for enabling D&D mode, so I'm gonna select it. Another shortcut I'm gonna set to turn on food focus. Here I'm gonna also choose to call favorites, and the last one for setting timer. Now to save changes, all you have to do is to click done button in the top right corner. Let's test it. I'm gonna click this first shortcut to turn on D&D mode. Scan Face ID, and as you can see, now it's on. Also, my wallpaper has been changed. Now by tapping second icon, I will turn on food focus, and it's working as well. Let's tap on the third icon to open favorites. It's working as well, but I didn't add favorites. And the last icon is to set timer. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.